Alright, so this is what we're gonna make. Or this one. Either one, same thing. So, how we make it. I'm going to delete this one. I just made it. But I'm going to go to Photoshop. Well, first things first, you're going to need two things. You're going to need a Word document with a whole bunch of text. Control C. Go ahead and get it on your clipboard. You can take all the periods and all the paragraph marks in it, make it look kind of like this. You can justify the text even. Control C, make it all even. But then you're going to need a good picture, like this one, or this one, or this one, like the B-movie one, whatever. You can do it with whatever. But make sure the background is pretty much the same color, and if it's not, you can always take the background off and make your own background. But we're going to use this one of Justin Roiland. So we're going to do this, yada yada. Then first things first, we're going to make them black and white. This red thing right here, I'm going to make it -13. Because that looks best for this picture, but you just have to lower it a little bit, make it a little bit darker, you know. So then you're going to go to filter. No, you're going to click on the background layer, not on the black-white filter layer. You're going to click on the background, go to filter, blur, Gaussian blur, do it about 10. File, save as. You're going to save this and you're going to use it later. So I'm going to call it blurry Justin Boy. Save it as a Photoshop, just somewhere, it don't matter. You're about to use it again. But then you're going to go back a space, so Control Alt Z to go back a step. Now, let's see, what's next? Oh yeah. You click on the text tool. You can click and drag from the top corner all the way down to the bottom corner. Fill up the entire picture. And then that text that you copied earlier, you're going to paste it a whole bunch of times. I had to do mine like 5 times, but it differs. Well, I'm going to push OK, except your text probably won't look like this. So how you're going to fix that is going to select it, going to click on this little thing right here, and yours is probably like this. You want it to be justified, and you want it to be Rockwell extra bold or some other text that looks similar to this. Make it good, decent size. You don't want it to be huge or too small or anything. Like, it doesn't work. It's got to be a good size. I think mine was 16. Yeah. And you want to make it all capital by clicking this double T right here. So, click the check mark. But as you can see, it's kind of cut off a little bit. So I'm gonna zoom in. I'm gonna click my move tool and move it away from it just a little bit, just so I can read it. Yep, that was good. Click the check mark again. So now we're going to use that blurry picture that we saved earlier. So we're going to go to Filter, Distort, Displace. Click OK. I'm going to change mine to 9/9. Just make sure you can change them. It differs with it. I mean, it changes with every picture, but it's normally going to be around 7, 8, 9, or 10. So I'm going to do 9 with this one because I've done it a couple times. And we're going to choose Blurry Justin Boy. So it'll change the shape of the letters and the words to fit his shape. So now that we've done that, we're going to Control, click on this little picture right here. Take the eyeball off of it. Gonna go to Edit, Copy Merged. So you copied it. And then you're going to File, New, and OK. And you're going to make a new file that automatically resizes. And you're just going to push Control V. You're going to paste it. And you change the background color. So you're going to double click on the background layer right here, click OK, do it again, but click on this color overlay and change it to black. Click OK, that's all there is to it.